Hello dear, welcome to the Solution Hub. My name is Sunil Singh. Today I am going to solve the 2.6 numerical of the unit and measurement chapter. So let us move to the whiteboard. So in 2.6 what we need to measure? So here we need to measure is most precise device. There are 3 devices mentioned and out of which we need to find out which device is most precise. So first device is vernier calipers. Vernier calipers, some specification of vernier calipers is given like that this vernier calipers has 20 division on the sliding scale. Now second device is screw gauge. Screw gauge have 1 mm pitch and 100 division on the circular scale. And third device is an optical device which name is not mentioned, but it mentioned that it can measure the wavelength of light, and we know that smaller the list count, greater the precision of the device. So we will calculate the one by one list count of the all devices. So first device, vernier calipers. So we know that vernier list count of vernier calipers is the ratio of the least measurement of the main scale to the number of division of the sliding scale. So after putting the values, 1 mm is the minimum scale reading of the main scale and 20 is the sliding scale divisions which is mentioned in the specification. So after calculation it comes at 0.05 mm. So we will convert this into the meter. So 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter. So this is the list count of the vernier calipers. Now coming to the list count of screw gauge. So screw gauge, the formula of the list count of screw gauge is the pitch divided by number of division on the circular scale. So after putting the value, pitch given as the 1 mm and number of division on the circular scale given as 100. So after calculation it comes at 0.01 mm. So it is equal to the 1 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter. So this is the list count of the screw gauge, which is 1 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter. Now the last device is optical device, and here no specification is mentioned, only one thing is mentioned, that it can measure the wavelength of light. So range of the wavelength of light is 10 to the power minus 7 meter. So if it is mentioned, then it will definitely measure. So list count of this instrument is 10 to the power minus 7 meter range. After comparing the list count of the various devices, we found that list count of the optical device is less in comparison to all 3. So lesser the list count, higher the precision. So highly precise device will be optical instrument, which is the C, means third one. Thanks for watching videos dear. Please like, subscribe and comment.